Hello guys, in this video, I am gonna telling you some interesting Telegram tips that you must know. Hide members in groups. Admins of groups with 100 plus members can hide the member list to give participants more privacy. If members are hidden, only admins will be listed on the group's info page. If an admin is anonymous, they will not be included in the list. To hide the member list, go to the group's info page, edit members, hide members. Spoiler media. Photos and videos can be sent with a shimmering spoiler effect in any chat, hiding the contents until your recipient taps to view it. Detailed storage usage. You can see how much space each chat is using on your device and clear the media of individual chats from your cache, filtered by file type. Media editor. Drawings, text, stickers, shapes, and more can be added to both photos and videos in the media editor. The default brush automatically smooths your lines and changes width based on drawing speed. Other tools let you draw arrows, add a blur effect, or erase. Text has various font and background options, and all users can include custom emoji. Anonymous admins. Enable Remain Anonymous to make an admin invisible. These admins can't be seen in the list of members, and their messages are sent with the group name and photo instead of their own. Inline bots. Many bots support inline requests, so anyone can quickly access them in any chat. Send images, articles, videos, and GIFs by typing at Bing, at Wiki, at YouTube, or at GIF in the message bar, along with a search term. Save to gallery. Automatically save incoming media to your gallery in Settings, Data, and Storage. You can control it by chat type, with the option to enable it separately for users, groups, or channels. On iOS, go to Settings, Data, and Storage, save incoming photos.